this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to fix Trust Wallet transaction pending. So first of all, we want to open the Trust Wallet app. And when we're in the Trust Wallet app, at the top left corner, we have the settings icon. We're going to click on it. And then at the top, you have wallets. So we're going to tap on wallets. And here we have the options for your wallet. If you have multiple wallets, of course, you're going to select the one which has transaction pending issue. So we're going to tap on the three dots by the side of this main wallet one. And when we tap on it, we're going to delete this wallet. Now, before we delete the wallet, it is very important that you have your secret phrase backups. So as you can see, the manual backup is here and the Google Drive backup is here also. So when you delete this wallet, this is going to, of course, remove your wallet from your Trust Wallet app. Then you're going to close the app and open it again. And then you're going to connect your main wallet app once again. And this is where your Google Drive backup would come in handy, or your manual backup. So when you've done the backup and deleted this wallet, and you're trying to connect the wallet again, you're going to need to put your secret phrase. After putting your secret phrase, your transaction pending issue will be resolved and you can continue with your transactions. So this is how to fix Trust Wallet transaction pending.